Sup yos, welcome back to Nickel Films. And I'm riding my bike today. You may be wondering where I am. I am at Sanford Lake Park, staring at all of this wreckage from the flood. We're gonna go over there and see what the dam looks like. Check this out over here. Oops. Oh, my bike fell over. It'll be fine. But check this out. Can you tell what that is? Yep, it's a pontoon boat. There's a hunting shack over there. So what happens when you have a major flood. And if you look way over there, they're starting to do work on the bridge. But we're gonna go ride over now, and I'm gonna film myself trying to ride to this stuff. I might not be able to, is the only thing. I'm gonna try it. I'm trying to think about whether this is a really good idea. Although, looking at it, it's really soft. We should maybe go around the other way. I'm gonna stop the video momentarily. Alright guys, so unfortunately in this area I had to walk because there's a sign that says keep out, but I just decided to walk down here, not ride my bike. But anyways, check out this dock over here. So I'm trying to figure out where that is from. Might be from the marina up on the up more on like Wixom Lake area. We're gonna go over there now and get a close-up view. All right, so we're walking along towards the dam. Right now it's really bumpy terrain. I'm trying to walk on this. Man, it's like solid. It's legitimately solid. I've never seen an event like this in my life. Oh, check out that log. It's got a whole bunch of barnacles on it. I just slipped out. We're almost here right now. If the lake was here, I'd be standing, it'd be over my head right now. Alright, I think this is as far as I can go. Check this out. Standing on the very edge. Look at it, it's just roaring down there like crazy. There's a whole bunch of people over there looking at it. There's what was left of the dam. But now it's like completely breached. It's horrible. It's just the remainder of the lake is just draining out from Wixom Lake over there, and it's just rushing down towards that other bridge down there. It's a terrible mess. And there's where I've come so far. All of this was just a beautiful lake park last year. I actually had my school group meet here for like before school started, just like so everybody could get to know each other. We had it here, and it was a beautiful lake then, but now it looks horrible. It's because actually the governor, actually no, not the governor, the state actually bought this dam, or bought this lake, I meant, from the previous owner who used to own this lake, and they bought it, and they inspected the dam, and it actually got a poor rating on it. There's a closer view of the construction vehicles working on the bridge. But yeah, it's a horrible mess. There's a bunch of tree stumps, eroded lake bed, and all that. And apparently they had a sign that said no metal detecting. I can kind of see why now, because if you look, there's a bunch of stuff that got washed up. and they probably just don't want anybody like taking stuff that might be somebody else's. Oh, yuck. Check this out. It's a dead crayfish. And there's another one right there. Oh my. Yeah, a ton of dead sea animals. All that. Check it out. It's just eroding like crazy over here. This is Sanford Lake. The date today is the 31st of May, 2020. All right, guys. Check this out. This is a subdivision. Everything is gone. House over there, it's completely off its foundation right now. Look at it all. All of those cement pads, those were foundations. All those trailer houses got swept away. Just wanted to show you some of the worst parts of the flood. Oh, check this out. There's been a few birds here. There's some turkey prints. All that stuff. It's just cooled and everything. Oh man, the water's actually pretty warm. I don't want to touch it too much in case it's like infested with something. You know, this much duck poop right there. Probably a bit TMI, but whatever. Anyways, this is just the disaster area of the great Sanford Wixom Lake flood of 2020. It's still raging. It's going to be hard trying to build a new dam because when the dam gets finally built, the lake is going to slowly come back over, I estimate, a period of about 2 years, because there's a river that comes in and it'll replenish the lake. But like, we have to get the dam built first. This is the lake. Alright. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, we are at Sanford Lake right now. This is what it looks like. I'm debating about riding across that lake bed for fun. But look at it. It's a complete wasteland over here. Check it out. Hey guys, I think I just found the remains of an old ship. Look at this. I don't know if it's a ship, but like, it looks like it. Looks like it's part of a canoe or something. Some old canoe. It's just another one of those cool finds. Sanford Lake, Michigan.